Hello and welcome again to the dressing gown sessions on Saturday the 23rd of May. I'm going to do a song from the 90s now, not my normal era, but it's a song that means quite a lot to me. It's Runaway Train by Soul Asylum. Here goes. Call you up in the middle of the night, like a firefly without a light. You were there like a blowtorch burning. I was a key that could use a little turning. So tired I could not sleep. So many secrets I couldn't keep. Promised myself I wouldn't weep. Another promise that I could not keep, and it seems no one can help me now. I'm in too deep, there's no way out. This time I have really led myself astray. Runaway train never coming back. Wrong way on a one-way track. Feels like I should be heading somewhere. Somehow I'm neither here nor there. Can you help me remember how to smile? Make it all somehow seem worthwhile. How on earth did I get so jaded? Life's mystery seems so faded. I can go where no one else can go. I know what no one else knows. But here I am, drowning in the rain, with a ticket for a runaway train, and everything so cut and dried. Night and day, earth and sky. Somehow I just can't believe it. Runaway train never coming back. Wrong way on a wrong one-way track. Somehow I should be getting somewhere, but feels like I'm neither here nor there. Bought a ticket for a runaway train, like a madman laughing in the rain. Out of touch and a little insane, but it's easier than dealing with the pain. Runaway train never coming back. Wrong way on a one-way track. Feels like I should be getting somewhere, but somehow I'm neither here nor there. Runaway train never coming back. Runaway train tearing up the tracks. Runaway train burning in my veins. I'm runaway, but it always stays the same.